But here's what happened to us with the GI Bill. We had African Americans going off to war, dying just like everyone else, risking their lives just like everyone else, and returning back to a segregated and racist country, giving a GI Bill that they weren't allowed to use at most colleges. I want you to think about this. I've served like everyone else, but I can't go to that college because it's segregated. And they won't allow me to go, even though I am a veteran and I have a GI Bill. And the colleges I can go to are underfunded, not recognized, don't have the resources or the access to resources that the colleges I want to go to and should be able to go to can offer me. So even if I do go to college and I use this GI Bill, I will still not be able to compete with those that are coming out of these other schools. So that eliminates half of my ability to obtain wealth as according to what this GI Bill promised me. The second part of it was something called redlining. So I cannot use my GI Bill now to go to school or to obtain a home. Maybe you're not aware, but in theory, a Black veteran might qualify for a GI Bill, which was supposed to be guaranteed to help you buy a house, but no bank would give you a loan, no realtor would show you a house, and no Caucasian owner would sell to you either. So now I've gone to war. I'm a veteran. I've returned to a place that's segregated. I'm being treated differently. I can't go to college and I can't purchase a home. So now I'm forced to live where only I can live. I'm forced to buy and obtain what I only can buy and obtain with cash. I can't get a loan. Anybody want to know how hard it is to buy a house cash as compared to putting down 0% as a VA loan veteran? And I don't mean put down your down payment cash. I mean purchase the entire home cash. Oh, but you can't live here because we have cultural covenants that don't even allow people of minority backgrounds to live in these spaces. In New York and northern New Jersey, here's a fact that I found. Fewer than 100 of the 67,000 mortgages backed by the GI Bill supported non-whites. Fewer than 100.